Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best night vision dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best night vision dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The IWY 4K Dashcam 3 channel is built to capture every moment on the road with exceptional clarity and confidence. Powered by triple STARVIS 2 sensors, it features an IMX678 front camera, IMX675 cabin, and IMX675 rear, delivering a powerful 4K plus 2K plus 1080p HDR recording setup. Whether it's bright daylight or challenging low light conditions, Night Vision 3.0 ensures sharp details, balanced exposure, and reduced noise for reliable footage around the clock. Designed for total coverage, this 3-channel dash cam records the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. Ideal for daily driving, rideshare, and family trips. The advanced PlateTag AI enhances license plate recognition, helping capture critical details when it matters most. HDR technology further improves contrast, making faces, plates, and road signs clearer in complex lighting. With its premium sensors, intelligent features, and cinematic video quality, the IWY 4K Dashcam offers dependable protection, peace of mind, and professional-grade recording for every journey. Number 2. Experience next-level driving security with the Torrential 4K plus 4K front and rear dashcam, designed to capture every detail on the road with stunning clarity. Featuring true 4K resolution on both front and rear cameras, it ensures crystal clear footage day or night, making license plates and road signs easy to identify. The package includes a free 128GB memory card, so you're ready to record right out of the box. With 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, transferring videos to your smartphone is fast and stable, while the built-in GPS accurately tracks your driving route, speed, and location for added protection and evidence. The intelligent G sensor automatically locks critical footage during sudden impacts or collisions, preventing overwriting of important files. A 170-degree wide-angle lens minimizes blind spots and captures more of the road, while the 3-inch IPS display offers vivid colors and easy navigation. Reliable, feature-packed, and easy to use, the Torrential Dashcam is the perfect companion for safer, smarter driving every day. Number 3. The Redtiger 4K Dashcam front and rear is designed to deliver exceptional clarity, reliability, and peace of mind on every drive. Equipped with the advanced STARVIS 2 sensor, it captures stunning 4K ultra-high-definition video in the front and crisp rear footage, ensuring critical details like license plates and road signs are clearly visible even at high speeds. With WDR night vision technology, the dashcam performs exceptionally well in low light conditions, balancing highlights and shadows for safer nighttime driving. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables ultra-fast data transfer speeds of up to 20 MB/s, allowing you to quickly download and share videos directly to your smartphone through the app. An integrated GPS module accurately records your driving route, speed, and location, providing valuable evidence in case of incidents. The Redtiger Dashcam also includes a free memory card, so you can start recording right out of the box. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, the Redtiger 4K Dashcam is the perfect companion for modern drivers who value safety, clarity, and convenience. Number 4. The FAMI 4K Dashcam front and rear with GPS is designed to give drivers complete confidence and crystal clear protection on every journey. Featuring stunning 4K front recording and full HD rear camera, it captures sharp details like license plates and road signs, even at high speeds. The 160-degree wide-angle lens ensures broad road coverage, reducing blind spots and providing a clear view of surrounding traffic. With upgraded 5.8G Wi-Fi, footage transfers quickly and smoothly to your smartphone, making it easy to view, download, and share videos on the go. Built-in GPS accurately records your driving route, speed, and location, offering reliable evidence when you need it most. Advanced night vision and WDR technology enhance visibility in low light and high contrast conditions, ensuring clear footage day or night. The 24-hour parking monitor keeps watch over your vehicle even when parked, while the emergency lock feature automatically saves critical footage during sudden impacts. Compact, powerful, and reliable, the FAMI Dual Dashcam is a smart companion for safer driving and total peace of mind. Number 5. The Redtiger F17 Plus 4-channel dashcam is designed to give you complete confidence on every drive, capturing every angle with impressive clarity. Featuring a powerful 4-channel recording system, it delivers 2.7K front video plus 3 1080p cameras, providing full 360-degree coverage of the road, cabin, and rear. Whether you're commuting, ride-sharing, or on a road trip, nothing important goes unseen. Powered by advanced STARVIS 2 sensor technology, the F17 Plus excels in both daylight and low-light conditions. The built-in IR night vision ensures clear cabin footage even in complete darkness, making it ideal for nighttime driving and added security. With included 128GB memory card, you can start recording immediately without worrying about storage. The dashcam also features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing fast, stable connections to easily view, download, and manage footage through your smartphone. Compact, reliable, and feature-packed, the Redtiger F17 Plus is a smart upgrade for drivers who want all-around protection and peace of mind on the road.